our propane pasta noodle cooker. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 15.5 inches, a depth of 30.25 inches, and a height 44.5 inches tall. Minus the backsplash, we have a height of 34.5 inches tall. Included will be 4 baskets, and each basket can store your noodles. The measurements for each basket will include 5.5 inches in radius by 6 inches in height. Measurements apply for each of the 4 baskets included. Height with handle, we have 15.5 inches tall. Please note that the cover holding the baskets can be removed, and beneath are your heating elements. Coming to the front will be the swivel head faucet. Coming to the front left column will be the gauge for the water pressure. And coming to the bottom, you have your pilot along with the ignition components to start up the noodle cooker. Coming to the left will be instructions to operate this pasta noodle cooker along with the ETL information. BTU will also be indicated on the stamp, which is 100,000. And again, this pasta noodle cooker can be used for propane. Coming to the back of the noodle cooker, we have your 3 inlets for gas and water. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.